What is up, guys? It's your boy Mark back with a new video for you guys today. So today I'm jumping right back on the ZX6R. So it's the next day, and I got the part, the starter cover in. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it. My dad's gonna bring the gasket maker we're gonna use with high temp, and we're gonna go ahead and put it on. So I went ahead and I ordered a used one because I wanted an OEM one. So I got this used one. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this one onto here, and we're gonna go ahead and pop this one off. It's 8mm bolts around here. We're gonna take them off, hopefully pop this thing off, and pop on that one, wait for the gasket maker, and go ahead and pop everything back on. And I guess after that we'll put in the oil, probably not today, maybe next video. And if it's good weather, we're gonna go ahead and wash up the bike. And yeah, that'll be that. And make sure it starts. After we start it and everything, we'll start doing all the cosmetics. Oh, and the speedometer is coming in soon, so it should be here tomorrow. So we're gonna see, the keys should be here today or tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah, so probably not today. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be tomorrow. But let's go ahead and start this. Time lapse starts now. So I went ahead and popped it off. There's like no gasket in here, but now I need to pop all this into here. Let's go ahead and take this fully off and switch everything out and pop it in and fill up the oil and get started. So let's do it. So I went ahead and popped it off. I'm gonna clean all the dust and pop it back into this new one. So this is how damaged this old one was. Ouch. But yeah, it's pretty damaged. So old, new, and then there's a bunch of like these chunks. So yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead, take all these bolts out. I'm gonna try to clean up the around here and pop this cover into this, and then go ahead, wait for the gasket maker and get everything done. So yeah, here's this old piece and everything like that. Let's do it. Just like that, and got everything popped on. Now we wait for the gasket maker, and I'll catch you guys back once we got it up in. So I got the gasket maker. Now I'm just gonna put some around the corners and go ahead and put everything back together. And then tomorrow fill up the oil. So let's start it. Just like that, the starter cover is on, and yeah, so tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and get this replaced right here, the handlebar and the speedometer. We're gonna get the keys tomorrow, which they should come in, and we're gonna try to get the speedometer replaced. And then I'm gonna probably take this off tomorrow, the fender, and basically just start stripping it down. I'm gonna need to order this piece right there. Pretty sure, yeah, it's cracked right here. So I'm gonna need to order it on this side. Anyways, guys, that'll be it for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new. If you want to stay updated on this bike, turn the bell notifications on, and that'll be it for this video. So subscribe, like, and that'll be it. Peace out.